Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as Princess Jasmine on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can change your skin tone. You can go to the skin tone room and then you can select the skin tone for your avatar. And then you're going to go to the makeup section. And then you can change this makeup. You can apply this makeup. Okay, and then I'm just going to exit and we can go to the hairstyle. And for the hairstyle, I'm going to choose the suitable hairstyle for Princess Jasmine. Wait, I'm still looking for it. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to color it black. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the bang. Okay, and I'm going to apply this bang. I'm going to color it black. Alright, and I'm going to apply this one as well and color it black. Okay, and now it's time to go to the outfit room. Outfit section, and I'm going to apply this one. Oops, we can't put it on, so we can choose this one guys. And I'm going to color it blue, light blue. Okay, and I'm going to go to the color wheel and I'm going to change the color a little bit. Okay, and this is for the color code. Alright, and I'm going to go to the shoe section and then I'm going to apply this one. And I'm going to apply this one as well and color it blue. Okay, and it's time to wear necklaces for Princess Jasmine. I'm gonna go to the necklaces section and I'm going to put earring as well. For the Princess Jasmine, I'm going to choose this one for the earring. Okay, and then I'm going to apply this bracelet and this one. And for the necklaces, I'm gonna try this one. Okay, and I'm going to color it to like yellow. Alright, okay, and this is the final result guys. And then that's how you can dress up as Princess Jasmine. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!